Today is the feeding of the blood parrots, so let's get on to it. So I'll just put my phone on my bed. Alright, I'm going to take the cover off, and I'm going to do a bit of tips. And do you like sinking food? Sinking foods are really easier for them. And today I guess I'll do a care guide on parrotfish. Well, first I'm just going to show you the feeding. Well, let's see them sink. Well, it's supposed to sink. Alright, let's try something new. Let's try this. Alright, they get to eat. Alright, so that's what they like. So let's try. Alright, so that's what they like now. I saw it eat. Well, today is a care guide about blood parrots. So what's a good ideal tank size for blood parrots? Well, first we're going to go with tank size. So 30 gallon would be a minimum. And each additional blood parrot should be 10 gallons. So to get 10 inches, if you have a 10 gallon, then I do not recommend you this fish. Just because how big they get around 10 inches. They're going to be hiding from you a couple of weeks. And they're like, this is like a 55 right here. I got 2 blood parrots. And a convict's like a 20 gallon minimum. So here it is. Oh, this guy's just looking at me. Whoa. Well, yeah. And, temperature range is 72 to 78. pH 7 to 8, and you're gonna need a heater, that's for sure. But if your room has a high temperature, then you won't need it. And well, that's pretty much a care guide. Our tank mates, they're African cichlids, I think, so they should be with convicts, the dragon cichlid, and stuff like that. You can try putting in silver dollars and stuff like that. And yeah. Alright, today's care guide was about parrotfish. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a thumbs up if you like parrotfish. See you guys.